You know how we have a family doctor that no matter what is our health issue and we must have researched about it endlessly on Google, we always consult that doctor and then take our medications. Similarly, how we have various people taking care of different things of our life, right? Someone taking care of our house, someone taking care of our parking and society, right? Someone taking care of our tax returns as well, and our health, of course. But when it comes to money, we tend to become a little possessive or overconfident, and we're like, no, I am going to invest my money relying on Google, app recommendations, or fin influencers. Well, this video is to convince you and nudge you a little extra as to why you should have a financial advisor in 2023 who will help you not only to make the right investments but sort out your entire financial life. Namaste. This is Akriti Agarwal from Wealth Cafe, and I am a registered investment advisor and a chartered accountant who helps individuals, families, and couples like you to manage their money better and sort out their financial life. Yes, I am a financial advisor who end up becoming your financial partner, your financial therapist, your financial doctor, you name it. So my role is not just to tell you which are the best investments for you and which are the best funds that you should look out for. My role is to help you sort your entire money from your taxes, cash flows to goals and your investments and estate planning. In fact, as a financial advisor, I tell you how much money you need for your various goals, and you have that money when you need it. Right, so let's understand how we can help you as financial advisors in 2023. Markets went up and down, you probably didn't make a lot of money. So 2022, if you see in Jan 2022, the markets were at its peak around 17,300 points, and currently the markets are at its peak with 17,700 points. So overall, the markets have really not grown. But through the year, there were many opportunities to make money. In June, markets corrected by over 10 to 15%, where it hit 15,500 points, and it was a great entry point for a lot of investors. So if you had a financial advisor on your side, they would have guided you as to how you should continue your investments, but also use your surplus to invest when the markets are hitting its bottom so that you can make more money when the markets touch its peak. Well, it's highly possible that a lot of you would have started investing in 2021 where the markets were already at its peak and would have seen a negative through 2022, only now in the past few weeks to see a green again. But the idea is that 2022 on an average have been pretty flat until you knew the right times or opportunities to invest your money, and that comes with an expert like us who sits on the market, understands them and tells you better. Basically, what happens is when the markets go down, we get scared because we started investing in 2021 and the markets were turbulent through 2022, and it's possible that you could have sold some investments. We as financial advisors help you to manage these emotions of yours and tell you that don't worry, stick with it, continue with it, or also tell you that you have enough savings as debt in your portfolio, which builds up the cushion. So let the equity be volatile because you can manage that volatility. So these kind of discussions happens with our clients where we guide them on how they should approach every market volatility. In fact, in 2022, we have helped some of our clients to make investments in equity for the first time in their life because they were always so scared of the volatility of the equity market or left it too soon. But now they know that they have a financial partner who is continuously guiding them and educating them through these market volatilities and helping them manage their emotions. The second thing that's happened in the markets in 2022 is that interest rate has moved, and how, right? Through 2020 and 2021, we saw the lowest interest rates of around 6.5% on loan, but through 2022, it has gone up to 8.65%. But if you had a financial advisor on your side, they would have guided you to not overdo with your home loans because the interest rates were projected to increase, right? And also would have advised you how you should invest in short-term debt through this increasing rate scenario. And in fact, now there is a possibility that interest rate could peak out in December 2022 and after a few months could start going down again. Again, this is a possibility, not a recommendation, but recommendations would follow based on this understanding of overall macroeconomics of the interest rate movement. And that is something a financial advisor on your side could tell you, because along with this, there should also be a scope in your investment portfolio for such decisions, right? If you have some goals which are to be taken care of in 2023, then the advisor does not recommend you these investments because goals precedes having fun in the market. So these are the kind of support comes when that person knows you and your goals and your money in and out. Avoiding crypto. We were shouting from the top of our lungs through 2020 and 2021, asking everyone to stay away from crypto. Crypto is extremely volatile. There's no basis to it yet. And well, 2022 proved it right for us. So if you had a financial advisor, they would have definitely convinced you and stopped you from investing your hard-earned money in gambling products. And well, your FinInfluencers do not know you, but we know you. When we become your financial advisors, it's not like we're having a group call or a group chat, but it's a one-to-one conversation where first few meetings are just spent in knowing you, your needs, your money, and then basis that advice is given to you. When a FinInfluencer comes on a video and talks about 5 best products or 5 best mutual funds, they are probably marketing some products or telling what they understand on a larger scale. But is that applicable to you? Is that right for you? You may or may not know until it's too late. So that personalized investing approach happens only through a financial advisor. And the last and the most important thing is time, effort, and efficiency. Yes, you could be really good with numbers, you love finances, and who doesn't, right? We're all earning so that we can grow that money and enjoy our life. But it could not be your expertise. You could be great at coding, great at marketing and branding. In fact, you could be a great chartered accountant, but that doesn't mean you have the bandwidth to spend the time on your finances. You know, I would have learned coding back in college when I had computers as a subject, but that doesn't mean that today I can code if I'm not an engineer, or I haven't spent that amount of time in learning that particular coding language. Similarly, if we are the experts who are spending 15 hours a day sitting on our finances, taxation, equity markets, debt markets, there will definitely be that expertise that we've gained over the years and are continuously gaining, which will help you manage your money better. So it will save you that headache, that effort on Googling the smallest of the things or just randomly listening to an influencer. Of course, when a financial advisor comes into your life, you can go back and confirm every advice that comes from us to you through other various means, and there can be interesting discussions that follows, basis which we can arrive at a decision that may work for you. But having an advisor definitely adds these points to your financial life. I can only say that having a financial buddy or that one person that you can always go to and confirm or discuss any of your financial queries or concerns with becomes like a huge support system in your everyday financial growth. So if you're looking out for one, you know how to reach out to me at iplan@wealthcafe.in, and let's book our first discovery call, which is free of cost, where we just help understand you and tell you how we work with you. And if everything goes great, then we can take things forward. I would only again persuade you that your finances and money are extremely important for you, because you are spending 15 to 20 hours a day earning that money. Try to figure out some time and some money that you can put aside to grow this for your own financial goals and your future self. Until then, I shall see you next Wednesday and Saturday with freshly brewed content only from Wealth Cafe.